Hi, my name is Amanda Rocha. I am an estate planning and probate attorney in California, and today I want to talk to you about the difference between joint tenancy and tenants in common. Before I get into that, I'm going to give you a way to contact me with any questions. You can find me through my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or you can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. Now, the reason that I want to talk to you about this today is because I was having a discussion with a potential client who told me that she and one of her siblings own property together. And I asked, okay, do you own this property as tenants in common or are you joint tenants? And she had no idea. And she said, what's the difference? If we both own the property, then, we can basically have the same rights. And so I think it's very important that you know what kind of title you hold. There are a few different ways you can hold title jointly. One is joint tenancy with the right of survivorship. That's a married couples thing most of the time, but you can have a joint tenancy with another person or multiple people. And what that means is that if one of you passes away, then the rest of you would gain access or ownership of that first person's share. So if it's owned by two people 50-50, the first person passes away, their 50% is going to be immediately transferred into the ownership of the second person. And when the second person passes away, the whole entire property will be distributed however their estate plan designated that they wanted that to happen if they had an estate plan. If not, it'll go to that person's heirs per law. Now, most people don't understand that. They think if I put something in my will or put something in my trust that my half will be given to whoever I choose when I pass away. But that's only if you have what's known as a tenancy in common. Tenants in common get their share and they can pass their share along or sell their share to whoever they want during their lifetime. And their share is not given to the other people who own the portions of that property unless they choose to give it to them. So again, 50-50 example. If you and a sibling own a home in tenancy in common, you both have children, one of you passes away, then you've decided to both leave property to your children. Then the person who passed away would pass their portion of the property onto their children, and it would be owned by the children and by the remaining sibling until that remaining sibling passes away, and then that'll be passed on along however that person chose. And the property will continue being tenants in common until something changes either by a title deed or it's sold altogether in one unit to someone else. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out. You can find me on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or you can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. Thank you.